Hello. Okay, guys. Oh my God. I'm sorry I'm in my mom and dad's laundry room right now because this is where their charging station is and my phone is going to die. But oh my God, you guys, I had to come on here and tell you about something that I just found out that I am freaking out about. Like, this is insane. Totally insane. So I'm not sure if you saw, but you can now get our presenters kit for only $89, guys. $89.25. You get over $395 worth of product for only $89. This is insane. Younique has never, ever done this before, you guys. This is such a huge savings. You're saving $305. How crazy is that, you guys? This is by far the most exciting news that I have had in the long time. So if you have been sitting on the fence about this, about getting the kit, now is the time. You do not want to hesitate, you guys. If you want to just make a little bit of extra income on the side, do it. If you want the kit, as in just take the kit and get your makeup just at a discount, do it. If you want to just turn this into a full-time income producing business, do it. Don't wait. Now is the time, guys. I've never ever seen Younique do this in the history of Younique. This is the very first time this has happened, and this is crazy. So I will post below everything. I'll post pictures of everything that you're going to be getting in this kit. Plus you get free shipping this month only. Plus you get this beautiful free light up mirror. It's like a portable mirror. It's awesome. You're getting that. Like, I'm shaking. This is crazy. And you get, of course, the free bag that it comes in, and it's a gorgeous, gorgeous purse. You get all of this, you guys, for only $89. Like, this is crazy. I don't know what else to say about it, but as you can see, I'm a little excited about this. I am just so excited for those of you who have been on the fence about this, because now is the time, you guys. You don't want to miss out on this incredible opportunity. This company has completely changed my life, you guys. It has turned me into the confident person that I am today. And I couldn't be enjoying this beautiful life that I'm enjoying right now if I had not went and signed up and clicked join. And for me, I spent $119. It was the best $119 I have ever invested in. And that is it, you guys. There are no other fees along the way. You get a free website. You get $24 worth of cash when you sign up too. Plus, every birthday, you get $25 in YCash as well. That means free makeup, you guys. Plus, anytime you are putting any order in for yourself or anyone else, you are also getting all of those Hostess rewards. There is no caps on that. You can have as many parties open under your own name as you want. This is a this is a chance of a lifetime here, you guys. And as I said, another bonus, if you join underneath as part of my team, there's other things that I do with my team, guys, that no one else does. I also will help clear a bunch of stuff for you using my NLP techniques. So you also get me as a free coach along with joining up underneath me. So if you're interested, shoot me a message and let's get your dreams started, girls. Have a wonderful day, and if you have any questions, please comment, or if you're interested in learning more, please either throw down your favorite emoji down below or just say me, and I will hook you up. Okay, guys? So thanks so much for watching, and remember, guys, thoughts become things, so make your thoughts incredible ones. Have a great day, guys. Love ya. Mwah.